Today I'm going to show you how to make a candle from scratch. The easiest thing you ever see on this internet. We're using this black jar because it is absolutely cute and everybody loves black, so why not? First things first, we're going to find out how much wax we need to make this candle by converting the water weight to wax weight. To do this, we're going to pour water into our empty jar up to the fill line. That's 230 grams of water. We're going to convert this 230 grams of water to wax weight. So 197.8 is a combination of our wax and fragrance oil. Now we're going to find out what percentage of this is wax and what part of this is fragrance. The next thing to do is to actually measure out our wax and heat that up. So I have my scale here. This heat plate is really old, but it gets the job done. While the wax is heating up, let's measure out our fragrance oil. I'm using Fruit Loops fragrance for this one. Because why not? We're measuring out just 18 grams of fragrance oil. Next, we're going to wipe down this jar and actually wick it, okay? We're going to check our wax at intervals to make sure that it doesn't overheat. Perfect. Our jar is wicked. Our jar is wicked. So we're checking our wax with our little thermometer over here to make sure it's not overheating. We're going to bring it down here to cool a little bit, and then when it's at the right temperature, we're going to pour our fragrance into it and pour it in here. Now that our wax is at the right temperature, we're going to go ahead and pour in pour in this little man right here. And then we're going to stir that really well for the next 2 minutes. Now we're going to wait until it is the right temperature to pour into our jar. If you would like my manual with the right temperatures and a wick guide to help you figure out the right type and the right size of wick for your jar, then make sure you leave me a comment below. Alright, next we're going to transfer this little guy. We'll swap him with this guy. Exactly the right amount, no leftovers. Do you see that? You're welcome. Next thing we're going to do is straighten our wick with this dude. No interference, no movement, no touching, no shaking until it is settled. Alright, so we're going to wait for this to settle down, harden up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Who's ready? Who's excited? If you learned anything from this video, make sure you like and subscribe.